Hi my dear friend, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you why you need to learn Python. Why you should need learn Python. In the fast-paced world of technology, learning a versatile and independent programming language like Python, you can open door to numerous opportunities. Python has established itself as a powerhouse in various domains, from web development and data analytics to artificial intelligence and automation. As of 2024, the demand for Python skills continued so far, with industrial skills like Cisco, IBM, Google, and more leveraging its capability for their project. If you are considering expanding your programming skill set, this comprehension guide will dive into 12 reasons why you should learn Python in 2024 in a smart move. From its user-friendly syntax and extensive libraries to its high demand in job market, this video will explore how Python can empower you to thrive in the ever-evolving tech industry. Whether you are a beginner looking to start your programming journey or an experienced developer aiming to enhance your skill set, Python offers a wealth of opportunity to excel in today's competitive tech landscape. What is Python? Python is a high-level programming language celebrated for its simplicity, readability, and versatility. Created by the Guido van Rossum and released in 1991, Python supports multiple programming and boasts an extensive standard libraries that simplified coding tasks. Its large ecosystem of third-party libraries and framework further enhance its capability, making it a top choice for web development, scientific computing, data analytics, artificial intelligence, machine learning, and automation. Python clear syntax and strong community support contribute to its popularity among beginner and experienced developer alike. Why you should learn Python? Here are the top 12 reasons you should learn Python. Its versatility, extensive libraries, data science capabilities, artificial intelligence, AI, machine learning, ML, web development, scraping, automation, cross-platform compatibility, open source nature, easy to learn, high demand in job market, and competitive salary. Number 1, data science. Python is preferred programming language of most data science, but it is ops, software development, or marketing currently. Even job make a use of data and depend on it to drive their opportunities. With the reason of NumPy and Pandas, Python rose to prominent in world of data. Python also handles statistics, tabular and matrix data, and also visualize it with libraries like Matplotlib and Seaborn. Moreover, in the data science area, Python job posting outnumber all others. This indicate the fact that the skill you gain with Python will directly transfer to developing your analytical skills. Easy to learn. Python is easy to learn. Python is easy language to master. This is chiefly because of its remember less of English language. Python syntax is characterized by very few rules and special cases. It's safe to say that Python the focus is on what you want to do with your code, not on language interface interaction. Anybody can master Python easily with practice. Newbies can build a basic game in many days using Python. Another attractive space of programming language is its efficiency and readability. Number 3, closed platform and open source. It has been more than 20 years since the language has been running cross-platform and open source. Be it Linux, Windows or Mac, Python code work on every platform. Another remarkable thing about Python is it's supported by decades of bug smashing and which ensure that its code work as in instant whenever the user run it. Versatile language and platform, Python remains very relevant today as it can be used in any operation scenarios or software development, be it in managing local and cloud interface, working against a SQL database, developing a custom function for Hive and Pig, supporting object-oriented design, or even developing a small tool for the user. Vast libraries. Python is supported by PyPy, which has 85,000 Python script and module accessing to the user. This module provides the prepackaged functionality available to the user in their local Python environment. It can solve diverse problems such as executing advanced data analytics like developing RESTful web service or sentiment analytics and established computer version. Flexibility. Python has several powerful application integrate with other programming languages. Details about these are given as follow. .NET and C programming, Iron Python a version with C Python, Python combined with Ruby Python, Python integrate with Java, and Python written with Object and C toolkits by Object. High salary. The salary of Python engineer is comparatively higher as compared to others in the industry. In the United States, a Python developer earns an average of $160,000 and $28 per year. This high earning potential is a result of Python widespread adoption across various industries, including finance, technology, healthcare, and more. As Python continues to determine the object job market, professionals with Python skills are sought after for their ability to develop complex application, work with data analytics, and contribute to cutting-edge technology like AI and machine learning. With the demand for Python experience showing no sign of slowing down, investing in learning Python can use to rewarding career opportunities and